Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today's video is about how to focus because few days ago I did a community post where most of you have wanted that how to focus video. So today's video is all about that, how I focus on my studies and how you can also focus in your studies. I will be giving few tips about how to focus in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the very first tip is to get a fixed slot for sleeping and studying. It is very important to have a fixed time for studying and sleeping. So the thing which I do is to sleep for 7 hours a day minimum, and I study for 3 to 4 hours a day, which is my self study, and rest of the day I spend on doing my homework, my online classes and all the other things. So it is very important to have a clear idea about your time and how you spend it and how much you sleep. So please take proper sleep and get a slot for your self study. Tip number 2 is taking a lot of greens, because as a student I know that we all take few snacks which have a lot of bad things, which have a very high quantity of sugar. Even I take a lot of Cadbury's and this affect our health. So please make sure that you are taking enough amount of green vegetables. It is seriously important for our health, and for focusing we need a good health. Without a good health we can't focus. So make sure that you are taking enough amount of green vegetable every day before meal or in between your meal as a snack. It will really help you to focus on your studies. Even it helps me also. As a student, our health is the most important thing to us along with our studies. So make sure that you are taking care of your health along with your studies. So tip number 3 is about having a good social communication. So what I mean by this is, don't force yourself to study always. That means you are studying for all the day and doing your homework and online classes, and in the end of the day you are not communicating with your family members. This is the worst thing. So please make sure that you are expressing yourself with your family members. So the thing which I do is I discuss all my problems with my parents. Mainly I discuss all the problem of my study with my father, and he really gives me amazing tips and tricks to improve my studies. So the thing which you can do is to share your all problem with your parents, and they can give you such a good idea because they are so much experienced and they are very much knowledgeable than us. So I did have a problem in my calculation. I can't calculate so fast. I am very slow in calculation, and my handwriting is also a little slow. So I asked about it to my father, and he gave me really amazing tips, and nowadays I am really improving in my calculation and the speed is also increasing. So certainly you can go for help to your parents and have a good social communication with all of your family members. So tip number 4 is also important point, that maintain your hobby. Do the things which you love to do. Say for example, I just love to solve Rubik's cube, and whenever I get free time I solve Rubik's cube, I solve that Sudoku. And one more thing, solving the Sudoku and all the puzzle will help you to concentrate more on your studies. So you can certainly solve some puzzle in your free time. One more thing, we can also contribute to our Mother Earth in our free time. I wanted to say that we can do gardening in our free time. Even from the last year, I am trying to create my own garden, not because of it looks great, but also we can give a little contribution to save our earth. Nowadays, global warming is rising so high, and we need to face this truth that we are harming our Mother Earth. We are causing damage to it. So, it is our duty that we heal our Mother Earth, we save our Mother Earth. But I really feel bad about some of the people who don't care about our earth. They just keep on polluting it. They don't think of recreating it. So I just wanted to aware you all that we also can give some contribution for some good work. As a student, we obviously don't have so much of time, but then also we can make our own garden in free time. It will give at least a little amount of oxygen and at least a little amount of cure to our earth. And yes, little by little it makes a big difference. Previously I used to think what will happen if I only contribute to it, and nowadays I understand that little by little makes a huge difference. So we all need to contribute ourselves for some good deeds. So whatever you do, just do anything which keep our earth healthy and safe. So the thing which I did is I have created a terrace garden where I have planted so many plants. And yes, I got a lot of fruits in the winter season. This is one of my hobby, and I will encourage you guys to keep a hobby like this. You can also recycle plastics and you can make craft out of that plastics. Yes, these are so much important because we are the next generation and we need to be aware about that. So last tip of the day is have a control over your internet uses. Nowadays we are so much involved with the digital platforms, so please make sure that which platform you are using, that is not consuming your time so much instead of giving you back anything. If you are learning something from a platform, it is very good, you can continue with, but don't waste your time in such a platform where you can't do anything. If you are taking help from any of the digital platform, you can do that, but make sure that you are not spending so much time in social media because it will not give you anything back. It is made in such a manner so that we can just scroll it down, and we ended up with scrolling 1 to 2 hours. It consumes a lot of time of ours, so please be aware of that. The social media you are using is not controlling you, you are controlling that. And yes, that was all about today's video. If you need any kind of help from my side, you can just let me know in the comment section. Yes, and one more thing, I will be doing a giveaway when I will reach 10k family. And yes, if you want to join that giveaway, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. I will be doing it very soon. So that was all about today. See you soon.